Hello students, today in this class under the chapter polynomials we shall see some examples in exercise 2.5. For chapter 5, factorize. First question is 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 2xy minus 24yz minus 16xz. You have to factorize this. This is an algebraic expression, but you have to factorize it. So we know that x plus y plus z whole square equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus twice xy plus twice yz plus twice zx. Okay, this is the expression. So with using this identity, try to solve this example. So first term square. So I am writing this solution. I am writing this 4x taking perfect square, that is 2x whole square. 9y square is 3y whole square. Now my first term is 2x, second term is 3y, 16z square means 4z whole square. Now third term is 4z. Now write this as plus 2xy plus 2 into first term 2x into second term 3y. And getting this 12xy, I should get this term. So 2 into 2 4, 4 into 3 12xy. Yes, no problem. Now here is the question. Here I want here minus. Second and third term is negative. In this expression, even only the third term is negative. Third term is negative. You take this third term as negative. What will happen? X square, first term square, y square as it is, z minus z square is also plus z square. You can write this minus z square. Okay, minus z square. Then this will 2 into this product will be plus. Second product plus into minus will be negative here. And third, last term minus z into it will be negative. So last two terms, if you want both the negative, then this third term should be negative. It means this should be minus 4z. Third term is minus 4z. Okay, then again you write 2 into second term 3y into third term minus 4z term. Minus 4z. Now check whether you are getting this 24yz or not. Minus 24yz. 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 4, minus 4, that is minus 24yz. Now it is correct. Now 16, then plus 2 times third term into first term plus 2 times third term is minus 4z into first term is 2x. Now see, are you getting the 16z, xz minus 2 into minus 4 minus 8 into 2 minus 16 xz. Okay, now this is, you compare with this x plus y minus z whole square, first term square, second term square, third term square, plus 2 into first term into second term, minus 2 into second term into third term, minus 2 into third term into first term. If you compare this with that identity, so this is the expansion of 2x, I am writing 2x plus this is 3y second term, the third term is minus 4z whole square. This is the expansion of this 2x plus 3y with minus 4z whole square. The x part is limited the same. So that is 2x plus 3y minus 4z whole square. So our factors are 2x plus 3y minus 4z into 2x plus 3y minus 4z. These are two factors of this algebraic expression. Okay, now take another one. Next question. Factorize 2x square plus y square plus 8z square plus 8z square suppose minus 2 root 2x, minus 2 root 2x into y plus 4 root 2, 4 root 2 yz minus 8xz, 8xz. Now again you compare this. I want here first here this term and right here x square plus y square plus z square, no problem. Next is minus 2xy, then plus 2yz, the last is negative minus 2zx. This term and last term I want this negative. Okay, so you factorize this. You take the expansion of minus x because third term is negative. So first or third should be negative. First is negative. First or second should be negative. So I am taking minus x plus y plus z whole square. So you see minus x whole square, that will be x square plus y square plus z square. Then 2 times these two product minus 2xy. 2 times this product plus 2 times this product minus s. So this is the expansion of minus x plus y plus z whole square. Okay, so it means my first term is this. What is the square of 2 is the square of root 2. What is the square root of 2? That is root 2. So I am writing this root 2x. But here it is first term is negative whole square. That is 2x square plus y square. 8 means that is the 2 root 2 whole square. 2 square is 4, root 2 square is 2, that is 8. So square root of 8 is 2 root 2. So you write 2 root 2 into z whole square. This is the third term. 2 root 2 square is 8 and z square. You write the minus 2 times first term to second term. Now first term is this one, second term this is, and third term is this. Minus 2 times first term. Okay, no problem. Plus expansion plus 2 times first term into second term, 2 times first term minus this root 2x plus 2 times first term into second term into y plus 2 times second term into third term, that is third term is 2 root 2z and plus 2 times third term into first term plus 2 times third term is 2 root 2z into this minus root 2x, minus root 2x. Okay, so I am getting the same. See here, minus root 2x square, that is root 2 square is 2, minus square is plus, so I am getting this term, no problem. Y square, okay, then this is 2 root 2 z square, I am getting this term, no problem. Okay, then you take the product of this, you will get this term. 2 into this minus plus 2 into minus, this minus 2 into root 2 root 2 x into y. Okay, I am getting this term. Then come for another, this you take this one. I want 4 root 2 yz. So 2 into 2 4. This is root 2 y into z. Okay, no problem. Then last 2 into third term into first term. Third term is 2 root 2 z. First term I have taken minus root 2 x. So 2 into first last term, third into first minus 2. So see the product. This 2 into 2 4. 4 root 2 into root 2, that is 2, 4 into 2, that is 8, plus into minus, that is minus 8xz. It means this is the expansion of this minus root 2x plus this is y and plus root 2z whole square. Expansion of this. So that is minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2z whole square. Therefore, factors are minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2z into minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2z. Okay, so these are the factors of this algebraic expression. In this way, we can factorize this. Okay, then take next one. Write the following cues. Question number 6. Write the following cubes. Write the following cubes in expanded form. In expanded form. Expanded form. So number 1, that is 2x plus 1 whole cube. 2x plus 1 whole cube. Use the identities which we have learned in previous class. So I am using the identity a plus b whole cube, that is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into bracket a plus b. Use this identity. So solution 2x plus 1 whole cube equals to, this is first term cube 2x whole cube plus second term cube, this is plus 3 times first term 2x into this one 3x 3ab into first term to second term in bracket x plus 1 2x plus 1. Okay, now expand 2x. What is the cube of 2? That is 8x cube. 1 cube is 1 plus this is product of 6x into 2x plus 1. So that is 8x cube plus 1 plus 6x into 2x into 2, that is 12, x square plus 6x into 1, that is 6x. Write in descending order of power equals to 8x cube plus 12x square plus 6x plus 1. This is the answer. So expansion of 2x plus 1 whole cube. Okay, next we take another second one. 2a minus 3b whole cube. 2a minus 3b whole cube. Expand this. So solution 2a minus 3b whole cube. Now this is equals to a minus b whole cube. We know that a minus b whole cube, this is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into bracket a minus b. This is the formula. So using that identity, the first term is 2a, second term is 3b. So first term cube, that is 2a whole cube, then minus second term 3b cube. My second term is 3b. Okay, minus 3 times first term is 2a, second term is 3b in bracket a minus b, that is 2a minus 3b. So 2 cube is 8, a cube, then minus 3 cube is 27, b cube minus 3 to 6a into 3b in bracket 2a minus 3b. So this is 8a cube minus 27b cube, then 6 into 3, that is minus 18ab in bracket 2a minus 3. Now multiply this right. So this is 8a cube minus 27b cube minus 18 into 2, that is 36 minus 36ab to a. So a square b minus into minus plus 18 into 3 54 54, AB into B, AB square. Okay, so this is the expansion of 2A minus 3B whole cube. Okay, there again you can take another example. Third one, 3 by 2x plus 1 whole cube. Again I am using this formula a plus b whole cube is plus. Okay, so this will be first term is 3 by 2x, second term is 1. So 3 by 2x whole cube, a cube, first term cube, second term cube, that is 1 cube, second term is 1, plus 3 times first term into second term, plus 3 times first term is 3 by 2x into second term 1 in bracket a plus b, 3 by 2x plus 1. So now cube of 3 is 27, cube of 2 is 8, x cube is x cube, plus 1 cube is 1, 1 into 1 into 1, plus 3 into 3, it is 9 by 2x into 1, 9 by 2x in bracket 3 by 2x plus 1. So this is 27 by 8 x cube plus 1 plus 9 by 2x. I am multiplying this 9 by 2x into 3 by 2x. 9 by 2 into 3 by 2, 27 by 4, 27 x into x, x square. 9 by 2x into 1, it will be 9 by 2x. So write this in the order. So 27 8 x cube, this is the order power of x. Then write x square term 27 by 4 x square plus 9 by 2x and plus this is 1. So this is the expansion of 3 by 2x plus 1 whole cube. Okay, then next type questions. Evaluate the following. Question number 87. Evaluate the following. Evaluate the following using suitable identity. So number 1, that is 99 whole cube. What is the answer of 99 whole cube? It is 99 into 99 into 99. But don't go for that. Just by using algebraic identity, you have to find the value of this 99 whole cube. So solution. 99 whole cube, I am writing this 100 minus 1 whole cube. 100 minus 1, that is 99, 99 whole cube. So this is equal to, which is a minus b whole cube, that is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket a minus b. So a is here 100, b is 1. So expand this. So this is 100 cube minus second term 1 cube, then minus 3 into first term 100 into second term 1 in bracket a minus b, 100 minus 1. Okay, in this way. So 100 cube means 10 square raised to the power 3. 100 means 10 square. So power of power into 10 raised to the 6 means here it will be 6 0, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, minus 1 then minus this is 300 into 3 into this is 99. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 10 lakh. Then minus this 300 minus 99 and minus 1, it comes 297,297,000. You take, okay. Then subtract this, you get 970 970,299. This is the answer. This is the answer of 99 whole cube. Okay. Then again, next question. Factorize. Question number 8. Question number 8. Factorize. Factorize 8a cube plus b cube, then plus 12a square b, 12a square b plus 6ab square. Okay, now factorize this. So we know that a plus b whole square equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into bracket a plus b. That is a cube plus b cube. If I multiply by 3ab into a, so 3a square b plus 3ab square. In this form, this algebraic expression is given. So I am writing this 8 as 2 root 2 cube. So it is 2 root 2 a whole cube. 2 root 2. Sorry. It's simply 2. Simply 8 is 2 cube is 8. 2a whole cube. Okay. Then plus b cube plus. Let us write. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3 times first term square into second term plus 3 times first term into second term square. So let us write 3 times first term square 2a square into b. Now getting this 12a square means 2a square means 4a square. So 3 into 4a square 12a square into b. That is 12a square means yes I am getting. And then next is plus 3 times first term to second term square. First term is 2a, second term square b square. So b square 6ab square. Yes I am getting. So it means this is the expansion of 2a plus b whole cube. Plus b whole cube. Therefore factors are 2a plus b power is 3. Therefore 2a plus b into 2a plus b. So these are three factors of this expression. Okay. Similarly, you can take another suppose it is minus b cube. Minus it is 12 suppose and this is plus 6. Okay. Now you find. Here this will be if this is a minus b. A minus b whole square whole cube equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into bracket a minus b. So that will be a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus 3a square b minus plus 3ab square. So this expression is in this form. First term cube minus second term cube minus and then plus. Okay, so I am writing this 2a whole cube then minus b cube. Okay, so I am getting this 80 cube then minus b cube. No problem. Now write this term as minus. Compare with this 3 times. First term is 2a, second term is b. So I am getting this 3a square. First term is 2a, second term is b. So 3 times 3ab, okay, 3ab in bracket. Either you do it with this minus first term square into b, first term square 2a square into b plus 3 into first term into second term square b square. Now you compare this 2a cube. First term is 2a, second term is 2a cube. First term A equals to here, A equals to here, A is equal to A, B equals to B. The first term cube minus B cube minus 3, first term square, second term multiplied by this second term, then plus 3 into first term, here it is 2A, here it is 2A, second term square, B square, second term is B, so second term square. So this is the expansion of 2A minus B whole cube. So the factors of 2A minus B, 2A minus B and 2A minus B. These are the factors of this algebraic expression. Okay student, so you practice these examples. Thank you.